Welcome to our channel Personal Budgeting Tips, where you learn how to manage your personal finances and not struggle towards the end of every month. Today, we're tackling a topic that can transform your life: creating a personal budget. It might sound boring or restrictive, but budgeting is actually a powerful tool that gives you freedom. According to USA Gov, a budget helps you take control of your money and find areas to save. It even helps reduce stress by giving you a clear picture of your finances. In other words, budgeting isn't about depriving yourself, it's about directing your money towards what matters. Let's head to why budgeting matters and why you need one. Budgeting provides 4 key benefits: financial control, ability to handle emergencies, improved spending habits, and lastly but most importantly, less stress. Let's look at the financial control first. Without a plan, money leaks through small daily purchases. In Charge Debt Solutions points out that a budget keeps you in the know about how much you have and what you can afford, leading to more control and ultimately financial independence. Next up is the ability to handle emergencies. A budget lets you build an emergency fund so that unexpected expenses, like medical bills or car repairs, don't derail you. Budgeting also improves spending habits. By tracking every expense, you see where money is wasted and break bad habits. And let's not forget how budgeting can make your life a lot less stressful. Financial stress can cause sleepless nights and even health problems. Creating a budget is a powerful step in reducing that stress and promoting peace of mind. Think of budgeting like using Google Maps. When you know your starting point, income and current spending, and your destination, financial goals, it guides you along the best route. Without a map, you wander aimlessly, hoping to arrive somewhere good. Budgeting turns guesswork into a plan. Now that we know why budgeting matters, let's walk through how to start. These steps come from trusted resources like USA Gov and In Charge Debt Solutions. Step 1. Gather your financial documents. Collect bank statements, pay stubs, bills, and receipts. You need a clear snapshot of your income and your expenses. Step 2. Calculate your monthly income. Include all sources: salary, side gigs, allowances, and any irregular income. Step 3. List your expenses. Divide them into fixed, rent, utilities, insurance, and variable, groceries, entertainment, shopping. Don't forget irregular expenses like annual subscriptions or car maintenance. Step 4. Compare income versus spending. Add up both columns to see if you're overspending or have money left over. This step can be eye-opening. Step 5. Set financial goals. Maybe you want to save for an emergency fund, pay off debt, or plan a vacation. Goals give purpose to your budget and keep you motivated. Step 6. Choose a budgeting method. There are 2 popular approaches: 50-30-20th rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, housing, bills, 30% to wants, dining out, hobbies, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. This is a simple starting point if you're new to budgeting. Zero-based budget: every dollar has a job. You assign income to categories until you have 0 left to allocate. This method, recommended by many experts, ensures nothing is wasted. Step 7. Now you need to track and adjust, using a spreadsheet, a notebook, or a budgeting app. This will help you monitor your weekly expenses. If something's not working, adjust. Budgets aren't meant to be perfect on the first try, they're living documents. Step 8. Build an emergency fund. Set aside a small amount each month to cover unexpected expenses. Over time, aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living costs. Step 9. Review regularly. Schedule a monthly money date to review progress and tweak your budget. Life changes, so your budget should too. Budgeting isn't about perfection, it's about progress. By creating a plan for your money, you gain control, reduce stress, and move closer to the life you want. Start small and be a little patient with yourself. Celebrate each milestone like it's an achievement. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and do share your budgeting wins or questions in the comments. Remember, your budget is your roadmap to financial freedom. It's you who has to take the first step.